Thanks a lot for staying with us. We're getting some more breaking news right now with regards to the investigations that are ongoing against several trusts linked to the Gandhi family. The Enforcement Directorate has now sought details of the properties purchased by Rajiv Gandhi and Nehru Trust from Haryana government. The government has also started gathering the list of such properties purchased by the mentioned trust, and Home Minister of the state, Anil Vij, has confirmed that required information will be provided to ED for further investigation. Remember, these are trusts that are directly handled by the Gandhi family, including Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, and there are several allegations against them for dubious transactions. Let's also go across to my colleague Amandeep, who's joining us with more details. Amandeep, what more can you tell us about such properties? Can you tell us more of how many such properties exist in Haryana? What could be their net worth be? Amandeep, can you hear me?
Hello.
We're going to reconnect with Amandeep, who's tracking more developments from the Haryana government. Amandeep, I believe you can hear me now. Please go ahead. Any more details on how many such properties exist? Unfortunately, can't connect to Amandeep at this stage, but the Enforcement Directorate has contacted Haryana government for more details of properties purchased by Rajiv Gandhi and Nehru Trust, and the government has now started collating a list of such properties to be given to the ED for further investigation. My colleague Amandeep is joining us on the phone line. Amandeep, tell us more of what you're learning. Any indication as to how many such properties exist in Haryana?
Exactly. Now the state of Haryana has started making the list of the properties, just because earlier in Haryana the AGL scam, a property traced in the Panchkula, that the case is also investigated by the CBI. Now the charge sheet has been filed against the Congress leader Bhupinder Singh Hooda, but now they are preparing the entire list, a consolidated list of all the properties that are purchased by these trusts. In fact, recently, Haryana government has received the letter from the Enforcement Directorate that they just want to pursue the investigation in all the states. And in fact, Haryana is also involved in that state. And now Haryana is gathering all the information regarding these trusts, how many financial transactions have been made, how they have purchased the properties, from where they are managing to get the finances in the state of Haryana. So entire list, entire details will be consolidated and handed over to the ED for the further investigation. So now the Home Minister Anil Vij has also ordered their secretaries and in fact the other bureaucrats to prepare a detailed list of these properties, just because properties are the main issue in this entire ED investigation. So now the Haryana will soon provide the list of the properties purchased by these trusts and handed over to the ED for the further investigation. Yes.
So, Amandeep, any idea that the government has given as to how much time this could take? How quickly will they be able to collate this list and give to the ED?
Yes, there is no such deadline has been given by the ED to the state of Haryana, but state is taking it on the priority basis, and in very short time, just because they have all the details of all the NGOs, trusts and associations of the state, they will very quickly respond to the ED, and very soon the entire list will be handed over to the ED. And in fact, the Haryana government is already started working on this, just because the moment they received the letter, orders has been issued by the state of Haryana to all the bureaucrats concerned about these trusts, who are just taking all the details of these trusts, and now the list will be prepared very shortly, but there is no such deadline given by the Enforcement Directorate to the state of Haryana. Yes.
All right. Amandeep, appreciate you joining us with more on this. Thanks a lot.